Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. In today's video, I will be doing a decorative spread in my Micro Happy Planner starting in April. And I'm so excited because that means springtime is coming. So I'm so excited to show you guys this spread. I'll be starting with some patterned cardstock and vellum paper. First, I'm going to start by taking my patterned cardstock and I'm going to cut it into two 3" by 4" sheets. That is the size for micro happy planners, or I guess micro notebooks per se. And I'm going to make two of those. And then after that, I'm going to cut the vellum. And the vellum is going to be a little different because I kind of want to frame it in the micro page, if that makes sense. Like right now I got my 3x4, right? It looks just like this. Now I'm gonna cut the vellum and I'm gonna cut it a little smaller so it can be centered. So I think I'm trying to go for something kind of like this, where it's just right in the center. And I chose to do it this way because I wanted my spread to pop out even more and not clash with the grass. So now I'm going to gather all my things and I'm going to go to my other workstation so we can make the spread. Hi guys. Okay, so in my spread, I'm going to be doing a lot of different elements. Like I'm gonna try to incorporate like some die cuts if I can. And I'm also thinking about maybe trying to incorporate a couple of items from my shop. So with the vellum being the background, I think stickers will look really good against it. So I will be using some box stickers from my shop. They do come in different colors and one of my most popular items, but I thought these would be some fun colors to use with that. I also wanted to show my gingham cards because I thought they are perfect for the spring. Like the colors are so pretty now that we're in April. And I just thought I would show you that. You can get one for your micro size planner. These are the bigger ones, but you can get the smaller ones as well to fit your micro planner. And they do look really good in your spreads. They're so fun. Lastly, I also have gingham note cards, which also look really good in your spread. You can use it in any size planner, and I think it just livens up the spread a lot. They're so cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and glue the vellum on. I'm just using Elmer's School glue. I think they do good in my planners. When I try to do more intricate projects or projects that require stronger adhesive, I use a different kind of adhesive. But I think for stuff like this, paper crafts, Elmer's is actually really good. So that's what I'm using to adhere the vellum to the cardstock. And I want to make sure that I try to get it as centered as possible. Like I kind of want it to look like a frame. And I think it's going to come out really cute. All right, let's go ahead and glue the other side together, doing the same thing I did with the left side. And y'all, I'm so excited. I'm making more micro planner videos. A lot of people have been asking for them and I have so many cute ideas in mind. So like have your notification bell on, subscribe, stay tuned for these super cute paper craft videos that I have been working on. Like I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and adhere these pages together and then you'll see how it's supposed to look. Now I'm going to go ahead and use some of these stickers that I got from the Happy Planner seasonal book. I thought these stickers were super cute. Now I didn't realize they were clear matte, but I still think it went well with the spread anyway. So I decided to use more stickers. I really do like how the spread comes out at the end. I also used some stickers from the Agenda 52 brand that's at Hobby Lobby. Don't sleep on them. They literally have the cutest stickers. So it's between my stickers from my Etsy shop, Happy Planner, and Agenda 52. I happen to use those stickers a lot. Like, I use them in all of my spreads, including my own stickers. I love making my own stickers. But anyways, I am putting this Hello Spring sticker because I wanted to mark this spread as my first time officially getting back in my micro this year and making sure I put out content and show you guys some inspiration. Like, I forgot how much fun it is to decorate my micro because I haven't did it in so long. I've been so focused on planning all the life things that has been going on. And I am using a bigger planner because I also have, my business and stuff. So I haven't been giving my micro some love. So I wanted to come back this April and give my micro some love. By the way, guys, if you care about your mood and tracking it and everything, I also have these super cute mood trackers in my shop too. I also have these monthly stickers in my shop as well. And I also do the number stickers too. So it's perfect for micro Happy Planner spreads or even bullet journal spreads. So now I'm thinking of adding these super cute die cut bunnies to my planner spread because one thing I've really been focusing on with all of my spreads and any kind of paper craft project are dimensions and scrapbooking elements. Like, I don't know what it is. I've been trying to add more textures to my spreads, depth, dimensions, just a whole bunch of different things I just wanted to add to my planner spreads. When I first got into the craft community and the planner community, all I was doing was putting stickers on a page. And there's nothing wrong with that. That is fun too. And there's the prettiest spreads. I still see them today, the prettiest spreads with just stickers. But I really do enjoy challenging myself to add more elements to my spread to see how far can I go with this spread. And on top of that, I still do care about functionality. So make sure you have a place to write if you plan on doing some crazy stuff with your planner spreads. If you want to see a video on that, just comment down below. I'm willing to talk more on that topic and we can have ideas together because I like being extra with my stuff, with all of my crafts. So here I'm trying to decide which note card I want to use for my spread. I love these note cards, especially for my micro, like because our little planners are so small, we don't have a lot of room to write. So we like to add extra elements to make room to write. And that's why I created these note cards. So I decided to choose this one because it had orange and purple and I think it looks awesome. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and just add more stickers, embellishments. I would like my spreads to feel and look full. I don't know how a spread can feel full. I like my spread to look full, that's what I'm trying to say. I don't know why, I just like a whole bunch of stuff going on my planner spreads. Here's my spread now that I'm finished. Isn't it cute? It is so adorable. Like, I don't know what it is about these little die cuts I've created. I can't stop using them. I know it's after Easter, but I still wanted to use the little bunny die cuts, the pastel colors. It's just so pretty. And then this is the card I'm gonna put with it. So let's go ahead and put it in my micro and see how it looks all together. Here's my little micro. Right now it's just a decorative micro with a bunch of different decorative spreads. I really went heavy on St. Patrick's. Like, my spreads were super cute. And Valentine's too. I'm so ready for spring. But I'm thinking about starting a whole nother micro for, like, you know, my spreads. This is just random spreads I made throughout the year so far. Not many. Y'all, it's looking super cute already. And then let me tell y'all, I was about to put this in the planner and I forgot to hole punch it. Like, duh, why didn't I hole punch it? Anyways, the hole puncher that I'm using is a crocodile from We Are Memory Keepers or We Are Makers. And that's what I use to punch my planners. Like, I like them better than the Happy Planner punch, to be honest. I mean, it does its job, you know, but this one is stronger and it can punch through like thicker surfaces. I like it a lot. Let me know down below if you want a review about the We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile Punch. Okay guys, so here's my cute little micro planner spread. I think it is so cute. It is so springtime. All the colors, the flowers, the grass, like it is super cute. What do you guys think about my planner spread? Let me know down below. Did this give you some inspiration? Are you using a micro, thinking about using a micro? Let me know down below. I really enjoyed doing this spread and I can't wait to see what spreads you guys come up with. Make sure you follow my Instagram at Plannerzoid. Bye guys. Here's a montage.